Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to print shipping label on eBay. First, we need to go on to our orders onto the sellers tab. And then beside the item you wanted to ship, you can select the purchase shipping label. You can fill out shipping label information, ensuring the package weight, all address, and irregular package, and also a hazardous material option has been selected into the package details sections. And there, you can choose the mailing date from the ship on drop-down menu, and you can select your preferred shipping service like require signature at delivery, add additional liability coverage, display postage value on label, add custom text on label, and adding message in the dispatch confirmation email. You can also choose a label format like a printable label only or QR code and printable label. You can also choose a label print format like 8x11, 4x6 inches, and 2x7 into the USPS only, and then select Pay With to confirm your payment method and review your shipping costs. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.